Let's build a house. What parts do we need to build? A roof, front door, windows, walls. Well, to build a strong house we need a basement, a foundation. It is the base that supports all the rest of our house. And it's the same thing with our body. Our body is a house. It needs a strong foundation. The base chakra is the base that supports all the rest of our being. It sits at the base of your spine. The basement is for survival and security. And so the base chakra, it is the emotional and mental foundation of our physical needs, our instincts, and our basic survival needs. Food, shelter, safety. The base chakra, also called the root chakra, and it is located at the base of our spine. It is called root because this energy center is associated with the earth element, which is our ability to be grounded, confident, and to feel rooted in our body in this life. However, the basement can be a terrifying place. It can be a dark place, and our old fears are alive inside. When this chakra is imbalanced, your whole being is in danger. So, we can imagine the root chakra as the roots of a tree. The tree would become weak without stable roots until it falls. However, healthy roots create a great tree. Also, the roots feed the tree with nutrients from the earth, just as the root chakra feeds us with the energies of the earth. It gives us the stability we need to nourish the other 6 chakras. Now let's do a short test. To do this, prepare a pen and a piece of paper. Please, get a piece of paper and a pen and come back when you're ready. In the meantime, press pause on the video, and when you return, press continue. I'm waiting for you. Excellent. Are you back? Let's start. I'll ask you 10 questions. Please, write your question number and answer on your page. The answer can be either yes or no. Shall we start? Do you feel fresh and energetic most of your day? Do you feel comfortable with your body? Are you motivated about most things in your life? Do you feel grounded in your daily tasks? Can you achieve your goals easily? Do you feel stable and secure in your career? Do you trust in the natural flow of life? Is your body strong and healthy? Do you feel you have what you need? Do you feel connected to your family? Are you curious about the results of your test? This test indicated the situation of your base chakra. The results. Five to 10 yes answers show that your root chakra is a quiet balance. To maintain this chakra, take one or two of the tools in this section, once a week. Three or four yes answers show that you need to implement some of the strategies about 2 or 3 days a week in this section. 0 to 2 yes answers show that your root chakra is not totally balanced. Use the one or two of the tools in this section on a daily basis. You can use the test results as key lessons of your root chakra. As a survival energy center, our fight and flight response is connected with the root chakra. It is our animal nature. So, the main signs of a blocked root chakra are emotional and mental signs of blockage, insecurity, fear, anxiety, depression, restlessness, abandoned, not connected. Mostly you will deal with some health problems in the lower parts of the body, especially the legs and the lower spine. The physical signs of blockage are mainly back pain and fatigue. Dear student, in the following videos, you will find various ways and tools for tuning and balancing the root chakra. As you soon notice, this section covers a few different tools and techniques. In this section, we get practical. We look at how you can attune, clean and balance your root chakra. The tools include sound healing, solfeggio frequency of 396 Hz, which resonates with the root chakra and attunes it with the earth energies, release deep-rooted feelings of fear, guilt, and low self-esteem, and will help you to ground. Moving exercises for the root chakra. The video shows some simple physical exercises that encourage your body to connect with the earth and keep you rooted and grounded. Foods to heal the root chakra. This video shows the ways to check your diet preferences and see if you are eating the foods that support that particular chakra. Mantra meditation and affirmations for the root chakra. Each chakra has its seed mantra. Chanting the mantra and affirmations during meditation or listening to it helps to activate and cleansing the root chakra. Enjoy these activities.